It's a 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, inductive device charging, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, driver control suspension management, and i4 engine. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.